It's just the beginning.
Hi friends, Pat and I are here. We're going for a walk on the beach. Got a bunch of people back there behind us. Sundays are like a holiday. Every single Sunday in Mexican culture. And so our beach gets very, very busy. But it's fun. There's always vendors. There's always people. Everyone's swimming out in the ocean doing things.
The donut man. You always want to find the donut man.
Yeah.
And the ice cream man. Find the ice cream man.
Ice cream and donuts are our favorite. Let's go. As far as you can see, everyone's out and about enjoying their Sunday holiday.
And on a normal day week, there's about 4 people on this beach.
Yeah, it's a pretty secluded beach most of the time. Not today. All the people and everything.
It's fun. It's different.
Yeah.
It's activity. I wish I could drink. I'm tired of being sober. Sober sucks.
You've been sober for like 5 days.
Does that include smoking weed? We're not smoking weed.
We're done. So cute.
And now I'm just a bro, you know? Checking it out.
Quit taking me.
This guy fight the waves. He's taking them on full blast. Watch, strong pull. Nice dive. Nice dive, bro. Here comes another swell, bro.
Some Sundays do get a little bit crazy, so you gotta let the people know that it's a private property. Give your feet a quick little wash in the bucket. That's super sandy that I need to clean out. Voila! We're back inside. Nice and cool back in here. Whew.